Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. If you guys have seen my other videos on similar content and gadgets and have liked the videos, please remember to give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel after this video. And today we will be talking about the Kingwear KW88 Android 3G Wi-Fi smartwatch. This smartwatch comes in a variety of colors, and white is one of them. This is probably a very underrated color because most people would choose the gold and the black, but I do feel like this watch looks pretty good in white. So we're going to go ahead and go through it anyways. So first of all, we're going to go through the designs of the watch. The band is made out of silicone. It's got some pretty cool patterns to it, even though, you will only really need, the center notch to tighten up your watch. But, I love the decoration and the bubbles. The case is made out of steel, as you can see. This one, the case is silver. It's just the band that's white. It's also going to have speakers on the side, so you can expect it to make some decent noise, but not enough to just play music or anything else louder. It comes with a SIM card slot, so if you do want to operate this watch entirely on its own, you would want to get a SIM card at your local mobile phone store, and you can basically connect to Wi-Fi through this watch if you get a SIM card. Now, you don't have to have a SIM card to actually operate this watch. So if you just want to use this watch for its basic functions, or even use its call functions and phone functions, you can still do so by connecting your watch to your phone through Bluetooth. So the SIM card is not required. It's only required if you want to operate it entirely on its own, which I don't feel like it's necessary. I purely use watch to tell time, and if it need be, I will connect my watch to my phone to actually get more features. Okay, so let's get through it. This watch also comes in this charges through a 4-pin charger. Okay, so it's very convenient. It's not like the USB chargers where you have to connect it and just push and pull through every time, which I feel like it's a hassle, even though it makes like maybe a 1 second of a difference. But every time you're gonna have to tug the USB cable onto a port, where you don't have to do that here. You basically just connect a 4-pin charger, snap it on instantly, and it charges pretty quickly. Okay, so now let's turn this watch on. So this is how it looks like with it on. So you can tell it's going to be a little bit of a size on your wrist. So it's more of a masculine watch, since it takes up most of your wrist. And it looks very nice. I like how it feels. It's probably more of an occasional watch since it's, of the color. I do prefer something of a darker color of a watch, but if you like lighter color watches, this might be the one for you. So let's turn this on. This watch operates off a Android 5.1 OS. So after you get this watch on, you can expect the interface to look a lot like an Android and your Android phone. Okay, so first thing you notice, and first thing it takes you to, is the watch face of this watch. Now, this watch comes with quite a few watch faces. So if you want to navigate through the watch faces to choose from, you would want to long press the current watch face, and you can swipe left and right This is the other one, which looks really cool because it has the quartz movement, but obviously it's electronic, so it's a pretty good simulation. So you can see it comes with quite a few watch faces, so it should keep things interesting for a while before you want to go ahead and download other watch faces. And if you've already seen these watch faces before, and you want to go right off the bat and find new watch faces to download, that is possible. You can go ahead and browse the web for just Android watch faces. You could probably come up with a lot of free ones or even some paid ones, depending on the website and the seller. So this watch also comes with, it could track steps and heart rate, which is really cool. For what you would expect to be a more formal watch or a nice watch or a luxury watch. So if you connect your watch to your phone, or if you're using a SIM card, you can access some of these phone features like contacts, phone, Bluetooth call, and then you don't need a SIM card to access your health functions, which would be your heart rate and your pedometer. Messaging, you would need some kind of SIM card or connect to your phone for that. You can have your music control, remote camera capture, that's possible too. Your settings option, you can browse the web with this watch once you get some network, either from your SIM card or connected to your phone. You could also work with some music here. Take pictures and manage your pictures through the gallery. Your clock functions, which would be stopwatch, timer, alarms. This is basically your home button right here. So if you want to go back without swiping back, this will be your home button. File manager, anti-loss feature, sound recorder, weather, calendar, voice search. And like I said, this is an Android watch, so it's going to come with the default Play Store. So if you need to download any other compatible Android apps on this phone, that's also possible. You can have your maps. I believe this is a GPS watch, so it should give you some kind of location indicator. You can also switch platforms, which I have not tried to do since I am more familiar with the Android platform. But it seems like it's possible. Okay, so that goes through basically all of the essential features of this watch, and this will conclude my short review of the Kingwear KW88 in the white color. Okay, I have left my affiliate links that will lead you to Amazon or eBay below, and if you guys do proceed to purchase through my links below, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel, and we will be back with you with another valuable video just like this. Thank you very much.